Hello. Alright, so I made a little song over lunch. I think this sounds like it would be good as the boss fight music. It's supposed to be very scary sounding. I think the drum might be too staticky. Alright, anyways, I won't need that till a little bit later. I think I'm going to try to do the ow sound effect again. Ow! Something like that. I think I should make my mic quieter while I do that. Maybe that'll be good. I actually think I'm gonna hurt myself if I think you can actually like damage your voice if you push it too hard. Ah, 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 eh, eh, ah, ah. Let's see how those sound. That might be okay. Ah. Ah. Eh. Ugh. Oh my god, that one is actually really good. Ah. Dude, that's it. That is it, right there. Right fucking there, man. That's the ow noise. That is our ow noise. Hell yeah, dude. Normalize that to like -5. Ah. And then we can export. I hope this exports the selection. Oh no, it didn't export the selection. I think there is a way. Shit. Well, let's look up how to use Audacity. Audacity, how to select export. I think I just should copy and paste it, but... What happened to file export selection? Yeah, I actually thought this used to be a thing. Oh, okay, export selected audio. Ah. I still feel like maybe I should apply some filtering to this. God, what the fuck, dude? I can't go up. God, oh my god, if I click to go up quickly, doesn't... Is this supposed to work? It doesn't go up. And when I click, I have to click very slowly, otherwise it, guess I can do it right here. Oh my god, that's so triggering. Alright, export selected audio .og. There we go. Okay, here we go. This is it. That is the ow. That is the ow I've been looking for. Oh my god, I played it at high pitch. Did not play it that loud. Maybe I needed to normalize it more still. Yeah, there we go. I think that's good. Yep, that's it. That's it. That's the ow audio. Alright. This is good. This is good. So that's the scripting for our jumping spiders. So that feels so good now, because now all we have to do is actually design the levels. So like, I can actually design where I want the spiders to jump from and all that now. Hey, AEM. So I'm going to do the first one you find right here to be a decent size. Oh my god, this is going to be perfect. When you walk right here, it jumps on you. Saw your voice practice a little bit, it was funny. Oh dude, it actually worked. Like, I thought it was a bunch of, like, listen to this. That actually is like, I actually think that's good. Like, maybe the practice did help. Either way, the other thing I have to say is I think if you just try enough times, you get something close to what you're looking for. You need to look at it all in game. Yeah, that's true. I just realized, will I be able to set the rotation for this? If not, it might make... Maybe I'll need to use something else besides a box collider, or or have a way to detect the trigger from a child. Let me see. Detect trigger from child. Get on trigger enter of a child. Damn. I don't think there's an easy way to do that. No. So I guess I could rotate this to be like the angle. Whatever. Let's just try to place the box collider with it right here. So the box collider represents the trigger for when it jumps at the player. So when yeah, basically if the player walks in the green box, then the spider will go at him. By the time the player is there, he can see the spider. I guess that's okay. You know what, let's see how this looks. Yeah, you can see it. Did it get stuck in the, wait. Did it fall through the ground? It fell through the ground. No. Okay. Alright. Alright. What is it? We add the hit. I guess if the hit normal is wrong, then it can send it into the surface. So what we should actually do is go back by the direction a little bit. So minus direction times like an epsilon. Hopefully that'll fix it. Oh yeah, I do actually need to script it to run away. So if it doesn't hit the player, if it raycasts and it hits something where it doesn't hit the player, then we'll disable this and enable the spider script like we do here. I should maybe make it a little bit smaller, or I guess I could just move it back a little bit here. Oh my god, I just realized I'm just grabbing part of it. There we go. Yeah, actually, I think rotating it is definitely the way to go. I should look into a way of creating a custom handle for moving these box colliders so that I don't need to edit these with the shitty number values. Alright, I think that's good. But yeah, it would be way easier if I could just drag it with like the handles. Okay, I think it hit that right there instead of going for me. It's hard to tell what it's doing. Yeah, I think it jumps too early. It definitely jumps too early. If only, yeah. I should look it up. I swear there is a tool. I I should make it so that one never misses. It just goes super fast. Did that go through the ground again? Oh no, okay. Yeah, let me look this up. Unity drag box collider with handles. Move collider with mouse. I'm just wondering how you would even do this. Like, I guess whatever object you have selected, it selects the collider by default, and then if it has multiple colliders, select multiple colliders. Alright, let's have this go super fast. Let's do like jump speed 100. So it just goes really fast at the player, so the player has no chance. Yeah. There we go. So that's good. That is good. I like that. Or I'm happy with how that looks. I don't know if I necessarily like that happening, but... Okay. Now we're going to place another one off in this little path. See, the issue is this one being right there, it might hit the wall before it hits the player. So maybe what I have to do is I have to program them. I could just put them in spots where they always have a good chance of going for the player. See how that one works, and I think we should make this one jump less fast, actually give you a chance of dodging this one. Can you see it? Oh, you can kind of see it. Now the question is, can you dodge it? Shit. This one might actually be hard to dodge. Oh, so the trick to dodging that one is just walking right past it. Alright. Okay, so we know you can go through here. I need to check this way to make sure there's no cracks that you can fit through. Or I mean, maybe if there is a crack, it's not a huge deal. Dude, I actually feel like the game has really good ambience. Like the slight whistle in the background. I'm curious about this audio. I wonder if it should play out. I feel like this shouldn't loop, but maybe it should. Just like in the background. Anyways, I forgot to add audio to this spider, so we're gonna add the audio. So now it should automatically make that noise when it runs away. Let's see. Yeah. Does it have spatial audio? It does have spatial audio. I feel like I should have these fade out quicker. Is there any way I can like scale up the logarithmic roll off? Did it just go into the ground again? What just happened? I'm not sure it's actually... I'm not sure it's actually fading out. Maybe that was 10 units. It didn't look like 10 units. Yeah, what the hell? It still plays. It's still playing the audio, even though it's supposed to have fallen off all the way. Do you hear that? It was still happening. That's so weird. It was still playing the steps. Oh my god, it's playing from Spider 3 audio. Oh my god, is it... Were these ones doing it too? Wait. Did this not copy correctly? So this one's source is 2, this one the source is 1, this one the source is 3. Okay. So those are all good, it just didn't copy to this one correctly. So this was playing the audio source of a different spider. Well, that explains why the volume roll-off didn't work. Let's just try logarithmic roll-off now. Okay. There we go. Now let's do the same to this one. Alright. Now let's work on the rest of this area. I feel like doing a bunch of smaller rubble. I guess I can do that afterwards as like polish. Put one of these crystals somewhere. And I also think I should put a light at them. So I could put one right here. Alright, and now I should count our, how many lights do we have culled? So we have one light on the player. I think I have one light that isn't culled. Light culling 0, culls the first light. Then I think light culling 1 culls the 4 other lights. So then we have one. Okay, so we have like 6 lights that we can use through this area before we need to split them into different culling groups. I should make these crystals brighter color. It's hard to get them to match, like... I think I'm going to end up trying to do a custom shader for these. That might be good. Dude, that looks kind of good, having that shine through there. I still don't know if I'm like super happy with the universal render pipeline. Not having shadows on a whole bunch of these things, but it's still pretty decent. I want to add some particle effect, I think, when the spider jumps on you. What sort? I think maybe I should do like a particle effect. I think I'm actually just gonna like flash an image over the player's screen of some like blood splatters. I think we'll work on this cave more first. So I'm just making sure now I can't jump up here. Why does it look like there's like a corner that's bugged? Is the normal of this rock wrong? Hold on a minute. Let me recalculate these normals. I'm betting I don't have calculate normals set on one of these rocks. Never mind, I do. Well, I guess the normal is wrong for whatever reason. Weird. Maybe... What mesh is this from? Rock 1. Oh my god, so if we import, it works. Oh, so it is something to do with the smooth normal. Oh. Oh. Alright. So I'm trying to make a, like, cramped, tunnel that you go through here. Maybe another one will jump out at you from right there. Yeah, that looks like a good spot to have one jump out at you. Wait. Why is... Did I turn off gizmos, or where's the box skelet? Oh, if it's closed, it's not visualized. Okay. Now I know. So I wonder, you might be able to go up here and skip being attacked. I can lower the lifetime on some of these because you definitely won't see them past a certain point. Alright. I think I'm gonna put a rock up above you there, maybe not. Oh shit, you can see it. You can see it waiting there. Okay, so that's probably the first one where you'll be able to dodge. Dude, I'm pretty happy with this game so far. It's actually feeling like a game now. I'm still not getting that really cramped feeling that I'm trying to get. I think the solution is to push the player down here into like a very tight corridor. Alright, and I've said I wanted to do another jumping puzzle. I think I'm going to do a thing where you're going to have to, like, jump between rocks right here. Actually, maybe you'll be able to go through the hole right there. Let me see. I think the player can fit through that hole. I want to test and see if you can skip this one by going right here. I think you can. Shit. Maybe not. Okay, no, actually that's a nice hole. And then I guess we'll, here I want to do a jumping section. My plan plan is to just absolutely fill up these areas with spiders. So if the player explores over here, we're going to punish them by a spider jumping on them. Actually, we're just going to have a spider jump on them anyways. Oh, wait, yeah, so you will be able to go by without getting hit. Alright, then over here, I feel like having the player jump up here, maybe. Oh my god, I was just thinking, I could actually do an area where there's like 10 of these spiders, and they all jump on you and kill you instantly. Because there's like, so if you only have 5 HP, if I do 5 spiders, you're dead. So I could actually do kill zones where you fall into a bunch of spiders. I feel like the frame rate is actually getting worse. Oh, I guess not. It still says 1000 FPS. That's nice. All right. I have a lot of area to fill in here. So in this first area, I've only filled up I'd say less than like a quarter of this big cave. So I might do a dead end actually right here, and then the right way is to jump over this. Do like an area where you can jump here. God damn, one of the spiders fell through the ground again. What is it that makes them fall through the ground? So... if it's enabled, equals false. If it raycasts through... that one didn't hit the player, so it shouldn't have anything to do with this. Okay, so I figured out why this is scuffed, because the player can actually have it inside another object, and the player can actually drop the spider into, like, nowhere. I don't know how you would fix that. Because you can't exactly calculate, like, unless I added full physics to the thing while it was on your face. I guess I could set its position specifically to the player. Yeah, that would work. That would work. What about here, though? I don't know. Let's see if that stops it. That just went through the floor. Huh. Must be something about the position. Maybe the rotation. It should reset it. Let's try, though. Okay, that one didn't go through the floor. That one didn't go through the floor. Okay. Let's see if you can jump up here. I might need, yeah, I'll probably need to turn this around. I bet you can do this, but this would be really annoying to the player. Maybe it was the Quaternion identity. Nope, that one just went through the floor again. God damn it. Enabled false, spider enabled true. Is it because it offsets the player's position? Not falling, direction, minus surface normal, origin equals local position. Yeah, this should work, I think. Maybe there's something I'm forgetting to set or something. I guess I'm just gonna debug the spider by itself. So I'm gonna put the player in a room here with one of the spiders. And the player can watch the spider run into this wall. Or maybe this wall. And we'll be able to watch and see if it goes into the wall. I forgot to enable it. So, yeah, I seem to be getting a little bit of lag in the editor. Alright, so this is not seeming to be glitching through walls. I wonder if it's like something to do with the mesh collider here or something. Let's try. Oh, I know what happens. I know what happens. When it goes between a crack, the normal gets pushed up a large amount. I know exactly what is happening. It goes between the crack of the mesh and the raycast, gets nudged a tiny bit, and that eventually goes through the mesh. Where could I simulate that? Maybe right here. Oh, it goes right through the hole. Well, shit. Alright, anyways, I think I know what is broken now. So I think we can test this just with these ones right here. So right there, we just saw it happen. Just glitched through the ground. I don't think it's anything here. Local rotation doesn't matter. Right here, where we add surface normal plus size. What we actually should be doing is doing minus radier times a small epsilon. And then the next time we move, we actually should add the surface normal plus the size. Would I add that to direction? Oh, I guess right here. Yeah, I actually don't know how to do this with raycasts. I guess if they glitch into the ground, it would actually be okay. It kind of looks like it's going... Yeah, so there it doesn't work as well. Yeah, so I think this is just bugged, and I just need to accept that they're going to go through the ground because of the way raycasts work. And that's okay, because they get deleted after a certain period of time. Alright, then there's going to be a little jumping area here. I wonder how many players will realize that you can get a bonus jump or a jump bonus if you jump from one jump into the other. If you chain jumps. I wonder how many players will realize that. It's really hard if you go for the single jump, but if you do a double jump like that, See, I think it is possible without doing the double jump or bonus jump. This might be too hard. Like, this might be too annoying for a bunch of people. I'll lower it a little bit. Alright. I think this cave area is going really well. Maybe I'll do some spiders up there as a, fuck. Maybe I should make them, maybe I should make them just hang out around the crystal. Hmm. Shit, I may even need to put a mesh collider on this. I didn't think I was going to need to, but... Alright, so the player should be able to die now. And I haven't set a checkpoint for a while, so that's actually an issue. See what happens when I get 0 HP here. I should get... Yeah, object reference not set to instance of object. Okay. So I need to set a checkpoint now that you can die. I gotta be honest, I'm pretty happy with this little zone here. Traversing this whole thing. It's actually got like a little, it's like a little level. But there's still, I think I'm gonna leave a bunch of this cave section open. Or after doing these really close areas, I guess I'm gonna do a less close area. Because the cave is already kind of big, and I'm extending the area of the cave by making you run in like S's. I wonder if it's possible for me to do the jump through here. How long does it take to walk from one end of the tunnel to the other? Yeah, it takes pretty long. So yeah, definitely gonna have some open sections. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some water, and then we'll go back to developing. I want to try to get this cave section done today. That's the goal, at least this open cave section. Alright, I'm gonna go. I think I'll be back in like an hour. Maybe not. I might do some development off stream and then come back tonight. We will see. Anyways, either way, whether or not it's streaming tonight or later this afternoon, I'm gonna get this cave done. Just not right now. Thank you. I'll see you around. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.